Lot number 509 is a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. This one has a 5.9 liter V8 with 138,000 original miles. The engine sounds good. It's been running for almost an hour. It idles smooth, it revs up nice. The automatic transmission engages, and the AC blows cool, not cold. You can see the AC compressor engages, and then this engages rather quickly. It's not really cooling like it should. It's not blowing hot air, but it's not blowing cold. Well, yeah, it's kind of cold now. Here are the miles, 138,124 miles. I'll rev it up so you can hear the engine. The engine sounds good. Revs up nice, idles smooth. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. The paint is peeling and faded. Headlights are dull. Driver's side fender has a hole right here from an old security system the school board used to use. Any city markings you see on this vehicle will be painted over. This one has a Knapheide utility bed, which appears to be in good shape. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. Cabinets appear to be solid, but I can't really see the bottoms, so they may have some rust. It's got an aluminum ladder rack on each side. The floor appears to be solid. It's got a heavy-duty rear bumper with an extra cabinet, all steel in the rear. Here's the passenger side. The utility bed has paint peeling. It shows surface rust, but it appears to be straight and solid. All the doors open just as they should. Now, I do hear a little rattle down here. It's probably the exhaust system. Headlights look dull. Front bumper looks good. This one doesn't show a lot of surface rust. The roof looks good. Let me show you the interior. Interior is rough on this one. Here's the driver's side door panel, looks good. Driver's seat is torn. The armrest, the center console armrest, it's not torn, but it looks like it had something pushing up on it there. Passenger seat has small tears. Headliner is mostly gone. It's torn, it's hanging. The dashboard is badly cracked all over. Steering wheel is worn. The cup holders are broken. The glove box is broken. The emergency brake release is broken. Show you the passenger side. The interior looks really rough on this one. AC's blowing cool. Engine sounds good. Automatic transmission engages. It runs and drives. It's a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500 utility truck. It's got the 5.9 liter gas engine with 138,000 miles. It's lot 509. Good luck.